Welcome to WealthForge. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in stocks. That's completely wrong, and today I'm going to prove it. If you've ever looked at the stock market and thought, that's not for me, this video is exactly for you. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the exact steps to build your first stock portfolio, even if you're starting with just $50. First thing you need is a brokerage account. Think of it as your bank account, but for stocks. Apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood let you open one in under 10 minutes, completely free. No minimums, no hidden fees. Just download, sign up, and you're in. Now, don't just buy random stocks. That's gambling, not investing. Start with an ETF, an exchange-traded fund. It's basically a basket of hundreds of stocks in one. One of the most popular is VOO. It tracks the S&P 500, the top 500 US companies. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. That means $1,000 today could be worth over $6,700 in 20 years without you doing anything extra. Here's the secret most people skip. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Set up automatic investments. Even $25 or $50 a week adds up massively over time. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. You buy consistently no matter what the market is doing, which lowers your risk over time. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't see results after one session, but show up every week for a year. Total transformation. So here's your action plan. Open a brokerage account today. Buy one ETF. Set up automatic weekly deposits. That's it. You've just started building your stock portfolio. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down exactly which ETFs I personally hold and why. You don't want to miss that one. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe WealthForge.